Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series. Our today's question is the selection of the proper type of film to be used for the X-ray examination of a particular part depends on. So this question is related to radiography test RT, and it is asking what is the criteria for using or selecting a film. So basically we use radiography film while doing RT. So what is the selection criteria of the film? Option 1 is the thickness of the part. Option 2 is the material of the specimen. Option 3 is the voltage range of the available X-ray machine, and option 4 is the all of the above. Friends, the correct answer is all of the above. The material thickness, job thickness, sorry, the part which you are checking, thickness of that part, the part you are checking, the material of that part, the composition, and the voltage range. All these factors depend on the selection of radiography film. So this is the correct answer, option 4, all of the above. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet, and you can help me financially. We have come to an end of our today's video. Hopefully you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.